Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is going to be all about the brand new NOMAD Cosmetics Paris La Bohème palette. I am going to be showcasing these two looks, how I got both looks. I will give some thoughts and stuff like that as well. I'm going to do some swatches and then we're going to dive in. This was kindly gifted from NOMAD Cosmetics and I do have a discount code RIRI10 to save 10%. That code as of now is actually affiliated. So if you do use my code, you save 10% and I do earn a small commission. Thank you in advance if you choose to use it. Let's dive in. I absolutely love this. Of course, I am a big fan of Nomad Cosmetics. I always kind of speak to the way that they do their color stories, the layouts of their color stories, and I feel the exact same about this particular palette. We have one kind of color story over here, if you will, and then one color story over here. I love this collectively. I love that we can kind of mix and match. I also really love the matte to shimmer ratio. Of course, I did one look with each kind of half or each section of the palette. I always note this, that I feel like Nomad Cosmetics nails it in terms of a consistent formula across the board. I feel like their mattes are good and their shimmers are good. I do also love how beginner friendly they are. You automatically know, your eye goes straight to, okay, all of these go together. All of these go together. Of course you can mix and match, but I like that if you're playing right here, it's going to be a cohesive look. If you're playing over here, it's going to be a cohesive look. I feel like it performed as it generally does. I do feel like I wish this one kind of gave me a little bit more depth, but it's more of kind of a dusty green, if you will. Other than that, that's kind of my only complaint. And then on this side, I love that we have an inner corner brow bone type of shade, something I can use for highlighter. I do wish we had that over here. Like maybe this soft pink on this side could have been reflected over here with like a very soft, maybe even like a muted neutral leaning like champagne-y shade or something like that. So those are kind of my thoughts. I feel like everything built up well, it layered well and stuff like that. And in doing the looks, I created one look going dark to light, one look going light to dark, just so you can kind of see the difference and kind of see how they build and layer. I do also really quickly want to show this up close to the Fête de Provence. As soon as I saw this, as soon as I received it in the mail, I was like, this is like the bigger sister, the more elevated, more grand version of that palette. Having more of like the pinky, purpley, having a little bit of grunge neutrality, a little bit of cool tones, stuff like that. This is the Nomad, the Fête de Provence. Kind of the same thing. We have more like pinky leaning, a little bit of warmth, and then a little bit more kind of gray purples. Now, is it the exact same thing? No, but I think if you already have this one or maybe missed out on this one, I feel like these are beautiful companion palettes, and hopefully you're kind of seeing what I'm talking about, where we kind of have like pinkies and stuff over here. Here we've got like more purpley gray leaning. So I think if you have both, they're definitely compatible with each other. But if you missed out on this and you're like, man, I kind of hate that I missed out, I do feel like if you get this one, it's going to have kind of the same general vibe as this one. So I did just want to kind of showcase that. Thank you so much to Nomad for gifting. Again, I do have an affiliated code now, RIRI10, to save 10%. And of course, all the deets and everything are going to be in the description box. If you ever have any questions too, you guys, feel free to leave a comment. I do try my best to either heart or reply back to every single comment. I'm always in my comments. I really do kind of take pride in that, having that connectivity with you guys. So if you have questions, please feel free to ask. You can also reach out to me over on Instagram. Thank you all so much. I love you all so much. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful.